How did your short film appeal to the audience through its use of narrative, camera, mise-en-scène and sound?
My target audience was really teenagers, so with my sound and music choices, I thought to use loads of different elements of a mix of electronica, hip hop, pop rock, and etc., which will apply to many segments of my market and will appeal to loads more teenagers and a wider range of teenagers. In editing, I try to put some comedic effect in it. So in the scene where Dylan is riding in M4s, I sped that up so the 4 is more dramatic and it can look more, yeah. And the camera work, the shot of Gabby on the bench and the steady cam with the undercroft is a really interesting shot, and it keeps the audience captivated by the dynamic shots and scenes.
How do your print products appeal to your audience through consistent use of fonts, language, photography, layout and colour?
I think my logo, because I use it on every single one of my products, and I think to keep that consistent brand going through all of my products is making the audience familiar with my brand and linking that logo with my brand. Also, I've tried to use some of the same fonts. So the fonts on my credits, I've used them on my magazine spread as well, on some of the captions and some of the headline fonts and etc. Also the skateboard on the logo, I've used that a few times on the magazine spread set. So to just get consistency with them and the emphasis of the theme.
How did you emphasise the key ideas from your short film in your poster and magazine spread?
I think I emphasised the themes of Dylan wanting to become a skateboarder, he's been chosen. I brought that theme in during my poster when I put the spotlight over the protagonist. Also the scenery, I kind of connected the scenery in my poster and used a location I used in my actual filming, which is the South Bank Undercroft as well. And also the half pipe template on my magazine spread that I designed, I made sure that kind of linked to the whole skating theme.
How effective overall do you think your work was in creating a complete brand or campaign for your film?
I think overall, I've created a really effective brand that I've used very distinctive, unique logo, which has gone through the stream through all of my products and literally has made my products unique and kept the overlying skating theme, which will make people familiar with the brand